Yeah. Let's see you skate. Whoa. Here, I'll help you up. Next time I put socks on you because it's hard to get up with those slippery shin pads. Get up, get up. Okay, let's see you slide. Make sure you bend your knees same time. There you go. Wow, that's good. Look at you go, man. Sliding your feet like that. See, that's even better than walking. That's skating. If you bend your knees a little bit, you'll fall even less. Yeah, go. But stand straight up, but bend your knees. No, straighten your back up. Okay, do it how you're doing before. It's okay. Just do it the way you're doing before, like that. Okay, go. You go a little bit faster? Whoa, you can go a little bit faster. Look at you. Good job. Let's see you turn around. Kuya, show them how to turn around, how to skate turning around. Like this, just like this. Can you do that? Good job. And the other way? Can you go the other way? Can you go the other way too? Wow. I can't believe how good you are now, man. Oh, we're gonna have to go buy a hockey stick today. Go. Go, 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 go. Faster. Let's see faster. Let's see faster. Yes, you are. Wow, look how faster you are. Good job, Miguel. Don't you help him up?